Hello everyone! Welcome to week 4. This week in Microsoft Word, we're going to concentrate on creating tables. We will also look at some of the aspects of creating a multi-page report. Let's take a look at this week's objectives. So we're going to create tables, sort tables, edit and format a table, set custom tab stops, create footnotes and endnotes, and learn to insert a cover page. What we have on our screen right now is our week 4 assignment. Your assignment is going to be creating a 1-month calendar, full page, using Microsoft Word table tools. And so please know that I do not want you to use a table template. Make sure you're using the table tools. You're going to set your margins to narrow, your orientation to landscape. You're going to need to determine the number of rows and columns and the layout of your calendar. You want it to fill an entire page. You're going to place pictures in there. You're going to learn to merge cells, apply shading, borders, and add your own personal touch. There's an entire video right after this that you must watch so you make sure that you can do all the steps. To get you started on the right track, I wanted to start with a couple of things to look out for. But please know you need to watch that next video working with tables. Okay, I have a blank document. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Layout tab. I would change my margin to narrow. My page orientation right next to it is going to be landscape. And then I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and I'm going to insert a table. So I'm going to just mouse over top of the grid. I know there's 7 days in a week, so I'm going to use 7. And then I'm not going to finish this, so not a whole lot of thought on my layout, but I'm going to do a 7 by 7 table. Now that the table's there, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to select my entire table. Right up in the top corner here is the selection handle. I can click on it. And a calendar is pretty basic, so I'm going to want at least the majority of my rows to be the same height. Easy way to do this. Go under the Table Design Layout tab, choose Layout, and you can see in the cell size group it says Height. And I'm a visual person, and so I'm going to just start clicking on this until I arrive at the height that's going to fill my page. You want to be careful because you could very easily keep going and accidentally have a row go on another page. So you want to be aware and keep your calendar on one page. And so I'm going to just decrease it until it pops back on one page. And so there I have it, my calendar. You'll learn to size the columns and the rows separately, but for now we have a basic calendar look. The next thing I want to share with you is when you're inserting graphics into a calendar. It's going to distort it, and so you'll see this on the next video, but I believe watching this twice will be helpful. So when I want to insert a graphic, I'm going to Insert, going to Pictures. I'm going to just choose this device, but know that we can find pictures from anywhere. I choose my graphic, I choose Insert. So when my graphic is inserted, you can see how large it is and it distorts the table. Not to worry. In our previous week, we learned how to work with graphics and we learned how to change the wrapping style. So after you insert the graphic, it distorts your table. You're coming over to the icon, Layout Options, and you're going to choose the layout option with wrapping text to put it in front of. As soon as we put it in front of, you can see my table goes back, and then we're going to size the picture down so it doesn't distort it, so a corner, easy to move around till you get it to the size that's going to fit in your block. So something similar to that. So again, when it distorts it, remember change the wrapping so it's not affecting it, and then you'll easily be able to move it and place it where you want. So this week's assignment, creating a calendar. You need to watch the other video. Since you're going to be creative this week, it's not a step-by-step assignment. Let me share with... Since you're going to be creative this week, and it's not really a step-by-step assignment, let me share with you some samples of past students' work, just to show you, get your creative juices flowing. Here's one for the month of December that was created by a student. Here's an August calendar. So they have the word summer in the background. That's sort of a cool look. An August calendar. The student chose to put the month at the bottom versus at the top. And this one has a little different look. They decided to put the month going down the side, so some different options. So looking at these, hopefully get you started thinking on the month you want to do, the look you want, and have fun with it this week. Okay, tips for a successful week. Do not procrastinate. Do not wait till Sunday. Things happen. Get done early. If you get done early, please still log in so you get your attendance credit. Complete all the reading assignments. Watch the videos. Even though the concentration is on tables this week, there's still other videos and learning to be done, so watch the videos. Submit this week's assignments by Sunday. There is no discussion board this week, so due date is Sunday. And please contact me. Let me help you cross that finish line. If you're having any trouble, please give me a call. I'm always here, always willing and wanting to help. Have a great week, everyone.